Mutism, rigidity, negativism, echolalia, echoperia are features of catatonic schizophrenia. Drug of choice for panic attacks is fluoxetine. Drug of choice for generalized anesthesia, benzodiazepines. Drug used in alcohol withdrawal is chlorodiazepooxide. Drug used for anti-craving for alcohol is naltrexone. No withdrawal syndrome is seen of abuse of LSD. Type of ECG waves recorded while the patient is awake, the rest the eye open is beta stage. Two conditions associated with the REM sleep: nightmares, dreaming, nocturnal pineal numbness. Therapeutic level of lithium is 0.82 to 1.2 milliequivalent per liter. Most common extra predominant side effect is akathisia. Dantrolone is useful is neuroleptic malignant syndrome. First and the most important induction of electroconvulsant therapy is major depression with suicidal risk. Most common delayed complication of antipsychotic medication is tardive dyskinesia. Most common side effect of neuroleptic drug haloperidol is drowsiness. Fear of closed space is known as claustrophobia. Bedwetting and night terror is seen in stage 4 NREM sleep. Alpha waves on ECG recorded from which part of the brain is occipital. EEG waves recorded in REM phase of sleep is beta. Drug used in bulimia nervosa is fluoxetine. Drug used in tic disorder is haloperidol. Drug used in nocturnal enuresis is imipramine. Differentials between psychotic and neurotic disease insight is present in neurotic disorder. Experience of one's thought being controlled by another is a feature of schizophrenia. Cardinal symptoms of schizophrenia was given by George Bleuer. Personality disorder with abrupt and extreme mood change and unstable fluctuating self-image and unpredictable and self-deceiving approach is borderline personality disorder. Drug of choice in delirium tremens is chlorodiazepoxide. Drug of choice in OCD is fluoxetine. Drug of choice or resistant schizophrenia clozapine. Neurotransmitter is involved in depressions or serotonin or epinephrine. Basic difference between neurosis and psychosis is insight present in neurosis. Antipsychotic drug act by acting in dopamine receptors. Neurotransmitter which plays an important role in pathogenesis of Parkinson's disease is dopamine. Likely diagnosis in lady who feels that her nose is very enlarged but nobody else is able to see that, and not getting convinced by other people. Body dysmorphic disorder. Treatment of acute alcohol intoxication is based on respiratory and CNS depressions. Recitative fugue is wandering away from home. Benzodiazepine overdosing in the patient presenting with coma is treated by flumazenil. Delusion is the disorder of content of thought. Most common type of schizophrenia is paranoid. Schindler first rank symptoms are associated with schizophrenia. Third person hallucination are characterized by schizophrenia. A 40-year-old male with elevated mood may be having mania. Drug of choice for obsessive compulsive disorder is fluoxetine. Neurofibrillary tangle are associated with Alzheimer's disease. Term psychoanalysis was coined by Sigmund Freud. Which drug increases mortality? Dementia, haloperidol. Sundowing is seen in dementia. Psychiatrist can give case file to patient. MCHAT checklist for which condition is autism. As per ICD, duration criteria for major depressive episode is 2 weeks. Hypomnic hallucinations are associated with waking up. Hallucination associated with cannabis is hypnagogic. Cycle withdrawal sane is absent withdrawal of cannabis. Delirium tremens is characteristically seen in chronic poisoning is alcoholism. Main system of Korsakoff psychosis is confabulation. Irresistible urge to drink alcohol is called as dipsomnia. A child finding difficulty to spell and read with normal IQ, normal social repertoire and normal vision as dyslexia. Tics, hair pulling and nail biting does not need any intervention in little children as they are benign and self-limiting. Pseudologia fantastica is typically seen in Munchausen syndrome. Commonest type of phobia is seen in clinical protosocial phobia. Olfactory and gustatory hallucination are seen in which epilepsy, temporal lobe epilepsy. Only absolute contraindication to ECT is raised intracranial tension. Differentiate of hysterical fit from epileptic fit is hysterical fit occur when people are watching. Preservation is persistent inappropriate repetition of same thoughts. Oniomonia is compulsive by buying. Component of conversion disorder is strict fits. A person loves to joke and then suddenly loses muscle tone is called cataplexy. History alterations are seen in temporal lobe epilepsy. Young person with self mutilations and impulsivity has which type of personality is borderline personality disorder. Medical student with normal weight parotid abscess in dental caries has bulimia. Psychosexual development theory was given by Sigmund Freud. Learned helplessness is typically seen in depression. Electroconvulsion therapy is first-line treatment for depression with suicidal tendencies. Effect of long-term use of lithium on thyroid is hypothyroidism. Fluoxetine is used in which childhood condition is depression. Neurotransmitter increase in mania is serotonin and noradrenaline. As per ICD's criteria, time period criteria for mania is 7 days. What happens to symptom of mania depressive psychosis in between episodes are completely remits. Drug of choice for manic depressive psychosis is lithium. Bipolar disorder type 2 characterized by hypomanic and depression. Cognitive model of depression was given by Aaron Black. Patient depressed for 3 years with less interaction but normal sleep and appetite is suffering from dysthymia. Maximum burden of which psychotic disorder is depression. Orthola syndrome is the other follow of delusion in influidity. Example of psychotic symptom is delusion and hallucination. Haloperidol toxination can cause akathisia and QT prolongation. Antipsychotic induced akathisia is characterized by motoric restlessness. Lack of insight of future of psychosis. Neurotransmitter increase in schizophrenia is dopamine. Prognosis of gradual onset schizophrenia is poor. Schizophrenia is considered to be a disorder of thought. Drug of choice of schizophrenia patient with poor oral absorption is olanzapine. Incidence of schizophrenia is 1%. Most common type of hallucination in delirium is visual. After alcohol withdrawal, peak index of seizure is on which day? Second day. Bedwetting is seen which phase of sleep? NREM sleep. Increased daytime sleepiness is known as narcolepsy. Bizarre perception of external objects which has real extension is illusion. Delusion of reference is a feature of schizophrenia. Most common chromosomal cause of mental retardation is Down syndrome. Basic rights of other violated and rules are not followed which disorders conducted disorder. IQ of idiot is 0 to 25. Teratogenic effect of lithium is Epstein anomaly. Mode of action of petine is SSR enhancer. Mode of action of paroxetine is SSR inhibitor. Indication of atomoxetine is ADHD. Extrapyramidal side effects are maximum which an antipsychotic haloperidol. Agranulocytosis is minimum which antipsychotic haloperidol. Drug of choice of bulimia nervosa is fluoxetine. Minimum duration to define schizophrenia is 6 months. Most common site of psychosis mammillary bodies. Dementia pugilistica is also known as punch drunk syndrome. Boxers. Inability to experience pleasure is anhedonia. Early onset worst prognosis in which type of schizophrenia? Hyperphrenic. Late onset and best prognosis in which type of schizophrenia? Catatonic. Agoraphobia is defined as open or crowded places. Suicide are commonly associated with depression, which comes under bipolar mania alone or depression alone is mania alone. Most common chromosomal cause of mental retardation is Down syndrome. Alcoholic blackouts is defined as amnesia of events during alcoholic intoxication. Symptoms of alcohol withdrawal commonly appear on 2 to 4 days. Tactile hallucination and magnon phenomena. Cocaine bugs or feature of intoxication is cocaine. Approximately answer is Ganser syndrome. Most common side effect of lithium intoxication is fight tremor. Most common syndrome of alcohol withdrawal is hangover next morning. Mutism, rigidity, negativism, echocallia, echoprasia is a feature of catatonic schizophrenia. Drug of choice for panic attack is paroxetine. Drug of choice of generalized anesthesia is benzodiazepine. Drug used in alcohol withdrawal is chlorodiazepoxide. Drug used in benzodiazepine intoxication is flumazenil. No withdrawal symptom is seen in abuse of LSD, cannabis. Type of EEG waves recorded while the patient is awake at the rest eye closed alpha. Dreaming is associated with REM sleep. Therapeutic level of lithium is 0.8 to 1.2 m milliequivalent per liter. Least extrapyramidal side effects are seen with antipsychotic drug clonazepam. Diatroxone is useful for neuroleptic malignant syndrome. First and the most important indication of electroconvulsive therapy is depression with suicidal tendencies. Most common delayed complication of antipsychotic medication is tardive dyskinesia. Very poor prognosis is seen in simple schizophrenia. Drug of choice of OCD is fluoxetine. IQ range in several mental retardation is 21 to 31. Neurotransmitter involved in the depression is decreased serotonin and norepinephrine. Clouding of conscience is a feature of delirium. Most common cause of daily is depressive disorder. In Alzheimer's disease, dementia pugilistic occurs due to trauma. Schizophrenia with worst prognosis is simple. Bad trip is associated with LSD. In schizophrenia, early onset poor prognosis seen in apophrenic. Treatment is not required withdrawal of LSD. Drug used in prophylaxis of manic depressive psychosis is lithium carbonate. Not a feature of dissociative disorder is hypochondriasis. True regarding Gaucher's syndrome is approximated answers. Labeller indifferentiation is seen in conversion reaction. Cognition is a thought. A patient of schizophrenia treated for 5 years development perioral movements likely diagnosis of attractive dyskinesia. A patient present with 1 month history of abnormal agitation and delusion. The patient lacked insight of changed behavior. The symptoms of likely diagnosis psychosis. Delusion, nihilism, early morning insomnia are characteristic features of major depression. Not an antidepressant drug is pimoxidine. Treatment of choice of phobic disorder is behavior therapy. A young female presented with halos, abdominal pains, and amnesia. She is likely to be suffering from dissociative disorder. Operant conducting where paradigm pain stimulants are given to child for decreasing criteria and discerning behavior can be classified as punishment. False regarding clozapine is extrapyramidal side effects. Not an indication of carbamazine is used for schizophrenia. Drug of choice of phobic paroxetine. Drug of choice of OCD is fluoxetine. Value of several mental retardation is 20 to 34. Tactile acceleration and jet black tongue are associated with the abuse of cocaine. Disorder content of thought is delusion. Early morning insomnia may be feature of depression. Early disability and poor attention span in adult feature of mania. Child with difficulty in forming social relationship autism. To diagnose mania symptoms should be present for at least 7 days. Drug used for smoking cessation is buprenorphine.